Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọ̀ṣun fún àdúrótì wọ́n dúró tì mí títí dìgbà ètò fi dájọ́. Mo wá ń sọ fún wọn pé kó má bẹ̀rù kó má fòyà. Èmi tó ń lọ sípò gẹ́gẹ́ bí gómìnà wọn gbogbo dáadáa tí ń ṣe ànídáwọ́ dúró a máa ṣe ni tó jẹ́ pé gbogbo èèyàn wọ́n máa rí ẹ̀dùn democracy ní Ọ̀ṣun tó ń táwọn máa ṣe nìyẹn.
Ẹ ṣàdéhùn àwọn nǹkan mèremère fún wọn bíi pé ẹ pèsè iṣẹ́ fáwọn èèyàn ẹ pèsè àwọn ohun amáyédẹrùn.
Gbogbo ẹ náà ti lọ gbogbo ẹ ti ń lọ à ń sanwó òṣìṣẹ́ gbogbo títì ń lọ ibi tí ò somi à ń ṣe ibi tí ò sí náà à ń fún ọ ní transformer so iṣẹ́ dẹ̀ ti ń lọ àti àwọn èèyàn láti òde ọya àti òkè òkun gbogbo wọn ti ń wá síbí nísìnyí wọn ní pé ìjọba wa àwọn rí pé ìjọba mẹ̀kúnnù tó ń fẹ́ ràn aráàlú ni àwọn fẹ́ wá ràn wá lọ́wọ́ láti dá ṣe lẹ́lẹ̀ ó pọ̀ jaburata báyìí ní ìsìn tí ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ti jẹ́rìí wá báyìí tọ́lọ́run ti sọ pé yes ọlọ́run kì í bẹ̀rẹ̀ kan kó má parí ẹ̀ bàtọ́lọ́run dẹ̀ ti wá parí ẹ̀ ní ìsìn tó ń sọ pé ìbò tí Ọ̀ṣun dì fún mi pé authentic wọn ni pé ìbò gidi ní ìsìn iṣẹ́ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ànídáwọ́ dúró wọn lọ mọ̀ pé láìpẹ́ láì jìnnà inú gbogbo àwọn máa dùn ní àwọn máa ṣiṣẹ́ dẹ́ndẹ́ adúgbò lọ́wọ́ náà àwọn eléyìí ó wọ́n dáadáa adúgbò lọ́wọ́ wọn wọ́n ti wá sọ Nàìjíríà di pé nígbà tí wọ́n bá borí níbi election wọ́n wá sọ pé wọ́n á lọ gbẹ̀yìn wọ́n wá gbà àwọn eléyìí wá dúró wọ́n rí i pé gbogbo ayé ló ń wò wá wọ́n ní ẹja sòótọ́ arákùnrin gómìnà Ọ̀ṣun state òun ló borí ńgbà yẹn o gbogbo ẹ̀sùn tí àwọn Oyètọ́lá àti APC tó fi kàn wọ́n ní irọ́ ló wà ń bẹ̀ wọ́n dẹ̀ jù dànù àyè bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ so n tarí síbẹ̀ nìyẹn mo dẹ̀ fi àsìkò yìí mo dẹ̀ fi dúpọ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé because àwọn judiciary tó bó ṣe máa ń sọ àwọn adájọ́ àwọn ní mẹ̀kúnnù máa lọ sábà tó máa fẹ́ yàn wá jẹ ibẹ̀ náà lọ àwọn ni ó sọ pé báyìí so adẹ̀dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run pé wọ́n ṣe dára ní ọ̀tẹ̀ adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn Ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú wọn. Today is an historic landmark in the history of Ọ̀ṣun politics. Today is the day our God ordained to stamp his authority as the owner and giver of power. Today is that moment when the will of the people ordained by God survived the anti-masses plot of powerful forces. We therefore celebrate God Almighty, the author and finisher of our faith. We dedicate today victory to him as we finally assume the governorship of this great state of living spring. State power is of God, and he bestows it on whoever he wishes. I will remain God-driven, divinely inspired, governing with the fear of God. Our governorship is an affirmation that a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Our victory is a testimony that peoples we backed by the divine will can withstand and survive plots of anti-democratic to the judiciary. Also has emerged as a moral compass, affirming the integrity of my Lord justices. Your affirmation for the truth and people's will consolidates and strengthens our democracy. On behalf of Ọ̀ṣun people, we appreciate you and we adore your love for justice and equity. To all stakeholders in Ọ̀ṣun project, be assured that the revalidation of our mandate is a challenge, a call to duty, a fresh demand for more dividends of democracy. I commit myself to an even more expanded delivery of good governance. In me, you will find a truthful pro-people governor. I seek support and cooperation of all Osun residents and citizens, irrespective of party affiliations. This is our state, and we must join hands to develop it. My special appreciation goes to my family, my brother, my sister, my wife, Titi and Ngozi. You are all my strong pillar of support. My children, especially B-Red, Shino, and then to my nephew, David Adeleke, Davido, to all Ademola and PDP supporters, locally and internationally. Our victory is validated. Thanks for standing by me. Again, I have to seize this opportunity to thank my big brother, that is my father today, Dr. Adeleke, and my big sister, who is now my mother, Yeyelua Modupe Adeleke Soni. My dear good people of Osun State, the good job continues. We shall ramp up the implementation of our 5-point agenda. We shall focus, as usual, on grassroots development and infrastructural revival of our dear state. Our policies shall fight poverty, insecurity, unemployment, and underdevelopment. You shall truthfully feel, taste, and enjoy the dividend of democracy. Yes. I thank you all for listening. May the good Lord bless the Osun State, the state of the living spirit, and the federal government.
Àti àárọ̀ tí ẹ sì ti rí bí àwọn èèyàn ṣe ń dọ́wọ́ ìdùnnú tí inú wọn ń dùn fún ohun gbogbo tí bí ohun gbogbo ṣe lọ ní ilé ẹjọ́. Gómìnà ti bá àwọn ará ìlú sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n ti bá àwọn oníròyìn sọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sì ti sọ bí inú wọn ṣe dùn tó ti bá àwọn ará ìlú ní gbólóhùn, tó bá àwọn oníròyìn sọ̀rọ̀ tí wọ́n sì sọ bí inú wọn ṣe dùn tó.
Thank you for watching. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss out any of our latest video.
My name is Ademola Adeleke. I'm a video director and TV producer of Akomolowe on African Magic. Keep watching Drivetv.
Olólùfẹ́ Drivetv àti gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí Fẹ́mi Sola ẹ máa wo Drivetv. Keep watching Drivetv.
My name is Wole Agba. Taking this time out to tell you all that you keep watching Drivetv. What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ ní ògo ẹ̀? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ fulfilment? What drive ẹ̀wọ̀ bí tó bá lọ? Ó ní iṣẹ́ rìn. Ibi ni kò máa wò Drivetv. Thank you. Chloe.
Drivetv, driving you around the world.